Hello everyone, and welcome back to the NetXL YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome! We make lots of different videos about networking products such as installations and informative overviews, so feel free to subscribe to see more from us. Today, we will be unboxing the Draytek V2865ac multi-WAN dual-band Wi-Fi router. If we open the box, here we can see the router itself. The V2865ac is an ideal router for superfast VDSL broadband and Ethernet-based fiber broadband. This router provides a reliable and flexible networking solution with firewall and content filtering controls, gigabit throughput, and quality of service. And here's the factory reset button, LEDs that indicate status, USB ports, and Ethernet ports, along with the DSL port. At the back, we have the power port and the on and off switch. This model also comes with two detachable LAN antennas, screws and wall plugs for mounting, an RJ45 cable and DSL cable, and a 12-volt power supply. Check out the description below to get your own V2865ac router today. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more unboxing videos like this, and comment down below what you like about this router. See you next time!